Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your domain is hosted in Squarespace and that you can edit DNS records. This is essential because email routing depends on those entries. Once done, sign into Google Workspace as the admin and verify billing is active so accounts can be provisioned. Next, open Squarespace's DNS settings and keep Google's MX records handy. You're doing this now to avoid back and forth later. Immediate DNS access makes the rest of the setup fast and predictable. You'll now add the Google Workspace MX records inside Squarespace. First, remove any existing MX records so messages don't split between providers. This prevents lost mail. Then create 5 MX entries with the exact host values and numeric priorities Google specifies. Accuracy matters because wrong priorities break failover. Once entered, save your DNS changes and be aware propagation can take up to 48 hours. However, many networks update sooner. Make sure to keep your Google Admin Console open to verify once DNS is live. You finish by verifying the domain in Google Workspace using the TXT or temporary MX token Google gave you. Verification proves you control the domain. Next, create user mailboxes, send test messages, and set up SBF, DKIM, and DMARC for deliverability and security. Once verified and records propagate, mail should flow normally. If mail doesn't arrive, recheck that you entered the exact MX host names and priorities in Squarespace and confirm DNS propagated.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.